Welcome! In front of me I have Suunto Race S and I'm gonna show you how to use this watch. Just the basics. First I'm gonna show you how to turn off and how to turn on this watch. To turn it off we need to go to the settings on our watch, so wake up the screen, press and hold the middle button to open the settings, then find the option called General, tap on it, scroll down, find the option called Power Off, tap on it, and then press the upper button to confirm, and the watch will turn off. Okay, and to turn on the watch we need to press and hold the upper button, keep holding it until the Suunto logo appears on the screen. And then we can release the button and wait until the watch is done booting up. Okay, and we're back in the system. Now I'm gonna show you how to navigate the system on your watch. You can open the settings by pressing and holding the middle button, the crown button, like that. And here we have different options. You can scroll through the menus by swiping on the screen or using the up. Oh, never mind. You need to scroll on the screen. Or you can rotate the crown button. Right, the crown button is rotatable, so you can basically rotate it to scroll through the options. To select the option, of course, you simply tap on it or press the middle button. To go back to the previous menu, you swipe right on the screen, or you use this back option at the top of the menu. Usually there is a back option at the top of the menu. What else? If you're on the home screen, let me go back to the home screen actually. You can also open the control panel, which you do by pressing the lower button. And here we have different shortcuts for different functions of the watch, like notifications, alarm clock, do not disturb mode, flashlight, button lock, airplane mode, power saving, and stuff like that. Another thing we can do is to press and hold on the upper or the lower button once you're on the home screen to open the shortcut, or rather use the shortcut. By default they're not assigned, but you can select something, and once you select it, you will be able to perform the action by pressing and holding the button. You can also check your notifications by swiping up on the home screen to open the widget panel, and here you have different widgets like control panel, logbook, stuff like that. But you can also have the, or rather you also have the notifications, and here you can check your notifications. Of course, you can check different things on different widgets. And last thing you can do on the home screen is to swipe left on the screen, and it will open the another widget panel, which you can customize in the settings. I believe it's in settings, customize, and is it complications? No, it's widgets, I believe. So widgets. No, that's not widgets. Never mind. So maybe complications after all. Oh, pin widget. It's this one. And here we can tap on the pin widget, I guess. And if you go back to the menu, it should add another widget. Yeah. Or it changes it basically. You can have only one. Yeah. So I pinned the control panel, and here we have it. Okay, and that's about all I wanted to show you. That's how you use this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.